Today I'm going to talk about a feature I don't use a ton in PHPStorm, but it's one of those things once you know it's there, you will find uses for it and it will save you. And it's a feature called local history. So first of all, I'm not sponsored by PHPStorm. This isn't a shill for them. However, I would love to take their money if they want to sponsor me. But anyways, it's just a feature I like. I use Git on all my projects. Even if I'm a solo dev working by myself, I'm going to still use Git as my version control. And local history on its surface might seem like the same thing. Like if you're already using Git, why would you use local history? And I'm going to show how it's not the same thing and some of the things it will do for you. So first of all, I have like a demo project up here. And if I look at local history, I'm just going to show history in general. You can see all these changes in here. And look at the timestamps. They're like minutes apart, right? And so it is showing history like Git does, but Git is only capturing history for things that you specifically commit. And I don't know about you, but I'm not committing every minute in a project. But sometimes you're in one of these flows where something's not working, you're trying a few different things to get it to work, and maybe you want to go back to like one or two of the prior things just to see what you did. This will show that to you. So literally any change made to a file in between all your different Git commits, which you should still be making, this will show them to you. It even shows things for untracked files. So a classic example of that would be like a .env. I'm not committing that, but I might make a change, or I might typo something, or accidentally hit backspace, and like now my AWS access isn't working. Like those are the things that local history will show you. It even shows it for you when you have external apps. It's not just changes made within PHPStorm, but external. So like one place where this comes up is, let's say you're working with Vapor and you have your like .env.prod and you're pulling that down because maybe you don't know, did a teammate make a change to that? You're going to pull it down before you make a change and then push it up again. Even that Vapor running from the CLI outside of PHPStorm, if it's changing the file on disk and the file is in a project that PHPStorm has open, it will track those changes for you. So it's a really useful thing. One additional bonus thing I'll tell you that it does is it will show you in context if you're running unit tests. Again, now you have to be running those within PHPStorm using their helpers, but which is what I do anyways. But it will show you for this change, the test passed, for this change, the test failed. So all this together, it's a nice thing to know that's available. And there's tons of options with it. I'm really just showing you kind of like the basic mechanics of how it works. But you can drill down to a specific symbol or function or a class to see the history of the changes to it. Check it out. I think you'll enjoy it.